Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ashley. I am a stay-at-home mom. I have one daughter that is going to be 7 months here in just a few weeks. I really enjoy creating content, editing videos. I also enjoy cleaning my home, believe it or not, organizing, baking, cooking, all of the above. So you'll see a lot of that on my channel, as well as some vlogs. I'm looking to incorporate some more vlogs just of, what I do during the day as a stay-at-home mom and stuff like that. So if that's something that you guys are interested in, then please hit that subscribe button and keep on watching. But for today's video, we are cleaning up my living room and incorporating some fall decor. So this video actually took a bit of a turn in events, and you'll see what I mean as the video progresses. But I'm honestly really happy with how it turned out and where I landed with the decor this year. But I'm definitely interested in hearing your thoughts and what you guys think in terms of the decor, what I changed, what I kept. Please leave a comment down below, and I'll just kind of let the video play for a bit and I'll check back in soon. Okay, so I don't know about you guys, and this might be a random or odd question, maybe a little bit of both for me to ask, but how often do you feel like you need to give your house a good dusting? Because our home, for some reason, I feel like it collects so much dust in like maybe a week's time, of course, 2 weeks tops. But I feel like I will dust and wipe down the TV console, and I'll always be so surprised by how much dust is lingering, I swear, within like a few days. So let me know if you guys also have a dusty home, or if you have any suggestions. If that's gross, sorry. I don't know if it's our home or what it is, but especially in our kitchen too, like when the light shines on the stove and like our kitchen fan, I noticed a lot of dust accumulates there. So if anybody has some tips, let me know, but leave a comment down below. Let me know if you also find that your home gets dusty relatively fast. So full transparency here, I forgot to mention, I'm actually using Windex to clean down the surfaces in the living room. So I have these glass bottles from Amazon. I have 2 of them. I have a thieves cleaner in one and then Windex in the other one. Totally transparent. For some reason, I've always used Windex. I think it's a really good cleaning product. I know there's chemicals in it. I don't even know the name of the chemicals. I know it's not great. I don't like to use it when my daughter's around. So thankfully, sorry, I don't know why I just tripped on my words. Thankfully, my husband took my daughter out for the day so I could film this and tidy up the living room. But that's why I use that. I really wanted to get like a Mrs. Meyer's apple cider or something, one of those scents for this video, but just with the timing, it kind of didn't work out. I have used Mrs. Meyer's before. I know the smell is great, and honestly, I kind of want something where the smell will linger a little bit, but I don't think it does the best job cleaning. I'll have to try it again, but I just remember like I would wipe and I just feel like it didn't do the best job cleaning. So Windex does a great job. I don't use it all of the time, but if I want to get like a good deep clean, I will use Windex on surfaces. If you guys have any other suggestions, let me know. I haven't tried Method. I know that's a little bit cleaner. Honestly, even brands that claim to be cleaner, I still get nervous using around my daughter. So anytime I'm cleaning, I just try to be mindful that she's like, either my husband takes her into a different room or she's down for a nap and she's not breathing in the fumes, even though it's not good for probably us to be breathing them in either. But yeah, full transparency, I've used Windex for years. It's a great cleaner. If you have any recommendations down below, let me know. But I find that it is one of the best ones for a good deep clean. So leave a comment down below if you also have a light couch that you purchased before having a little one where you put your blankets on it. We do this, and we've done this actually since we have come home from the hospital with my daughter for the video today, and to make sure I get a good deep clean of the couch and the cushions. I decided to kind of course, fold up the blankets, kind of tuck them away. But once I finished filming, they came right back out. But I do like to do this where I vacuum the couch cushions and, spray antibacterial spray on it just to kind of keep things fresh and lively in the living room. It just feels a lot better. But I really like using blankets, honestly. And I know some people might be like, well, why did you get such a light couch and why are you putting blankets on it? And honestly, for me and my husband, we really like to take care of the things that we have. So we don't have the biggest house, the nicest things. Don't get me wrong, like we did, purchase this couch and we love it. And it was definitely an investment for us. So that being said, like regardless of how much things cost, we really just like to take care of the things that we own. And unfortunately, sometimes messes happen, things happen. But honestly, my husband and I would rather have, ketchup fall on a blanket that can be washed, or if our daughter drools or spits up or has anything happen, or our dog comes in from being outside, instead of being like, oh, don't come on the couch, or, we're all stressed out about it, getting dirty and then having to clean it and bring out the green machine, which has happened sometimes. Like, don't get me wrong, if we don't have a blanket on there. But we really like to just not have to worry about that, essentially. So that's why we keep the blankets out. Okay, so before we get into decorating, I just wanted to show you guys, this is a fun cleaning hack. I really personally don't mind having my daughter's toys everywhere, but this is a really deep basket. It has so many of her toys. Like I said, I normally don't mind. I'll have them in the playpen. I usually have more of those like textile foam mats out here, but for the sake of the video, I just kind of tidied that up. But sometimes if I just want to like give a quick clean, like before bed, I will, sorry, I'm not showing this great, but I will fill up this toy bin and just throw a blanket over it. And it just makes me feel a little bit better, like going into bed, nothing crazy. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I am so excited. I cannot wait for my daughter to see this when she gets home. I feel like she's gonna have such a field day. Okay, so right now I'm just showing you guys some of the fall decor that I have. Some of it made its way into the living room and some of it did not. Right now in this clip, I feel like from this view it looks super cute, but then when I was looking at it in the living room, it felt like almost too much. I don't know. Let me know what you think. If you like the garland up there, oh, you can see it. So let me know if you guys like it. Sometimes I don't know what to do with the bay window. During Christmas time, I put Christmas garland up there with lights. Okay, so this is what I came up with so far. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not crazy about it. I ended up moving the garland over from our bay window to the TV stand, and I don't know, I think I might just do less is more this year. I'm just not feeling it at all, unfortunately. So yeah, I don't know, the colors, I feel like I want to just go more neutral, and I think that's what we're gonna do. So we're just gonna follow our gut on this one and kind of just fix this a little bit. Okay, you guys, so this is what I ended up doing. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not totally in love with the decor. I also am not the best decorator. I'm trying to think, no, I kept everything as is in these areas just because, I don't know, like I said, I just don't know. I don't really want to go out and spend more money this year. And I really love Christmas. Like Christmas is my favorite time of year. Like I love to decorate for Christmas. I actually bought this cute pumpkin palace. I want to say maybe 2 or 3 years ago from HomeGoods. And I put just one of those fake light up tea lights, which I don't know why I didn't think about that sooner, because in previous years I would actually use real tea lights. Which kept me from kind of using it because I felt like it was just a lot of extra, not like a lot of extra work, but you guys know what I mean. So that's really cute. I love that. And I normally keep it in my kitchen, but I wanted to be able to actually see it and use it this year. And then I literally just put this pumpkin right here. And of course this little candle lights up, and it's that like kind of tacky orange color, but I'm here for it because fall. So yeah, that is just what we have going on here. Hi, do you want to be part of the video? Sweet girl. And then I just put this pumpkin right over here. I actually bought this pumpkin and this one right over there a few years ago at the Christmas tree shop or Christmas tree shops. And they're really inexpensive. So if you're looking for pumpkins, definitely head over there. Sorry, I feel like the remote is killing the vibe. But this pumpkins for sale sign I purchased at a local antique shop a few years ago. Sorry, Hi! Do you like those gel stickies? You say hi to the vlog, princess? You sweet girl. I love you so much. I love you so much. You're so sweet. This is the sweetest little girl ever, huh? She's gonna be 7. Today I'm gonna be 7 years old in November. Also I put my hair up in a claw clip because it's getting kind of toasty, huh? Getting kind of toasty. But thank you guys so much for being here. I am happy that I end up cleaning the living room, and now that I'm sitting down, it actually just feels a lot better than what I had, what is happening, than what I had going on. Hold on, princess, wait a second. Sweetie pie. Yeah, it just feels a lot better. It's like, you know what's tough is that pumpkin palace. I'm looking at it right now. I love it, but I just don't know where to put it. I feel like I honestly need like a big all white pristine kitchen or something for that to like be displayed in. I don't know. I originally was thinking of putting it on that like magnolia. Sorry, I'm laughing. I'm just like sitting here and just showing you guys stuff. But I originally, ooh, princess, you have stinky breath. I was originally thinking of putting it there, but I'm telling you guys, with a 6-month-old, with a 6-month-old, I just know that it's not gonna last there very long. So that's fine, you guys. This is the reality. If I ever had an interior designer, I'm sure they would help me. Hi, hello. But also my daughter is young, so she's gonna enjoy little stickies on the front door, and I don't think she's gonna care, nor is my husband. I almost kind of, ooh, stinky breath, princess. I almost like didn't want to decorate for fall, and part of me is like, I don't know. I'm like, should I just like, so my husband thinks, but I'm laughing because he's such a good husband. He left and took my daughter out for the day so that I could film this, and oh my gosh, what is happening? So I could film this for the day. Also, my roots out of control, you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.